Have you ever noticed how much more you love something when you've built it yourself? Maybe it's a bookshelf from IKEA, a cake you baked from scratch, or a craft project you spent hours on. Even if it's a little crooked or not quite perfect, it just feels more valuable. This feeling isn't just in your head. It's called the IKEA Effect, a real psychological phenomenon where we place a higher value on things we've put effort into creating. Researchers first noticed this with flat-pack furniture. People were willing to pay more for a piece they assembled themselves than for the same item already put together. But the IKEA effect goes way beyond furniture. It shows up when you cook a meal, build a model, or customize your own pizza. The more effort you put in, the more you care about the result. Why does this happen? Part of it is effort justification. When we work hard on something, our brains want to believe it was worth it. That struggle and time spent make the finished product feel special. There's also a sense of ownership and pride. You don't just own the object, you own the story of making it. Businesses know this too. That's why so many products let you build, customize, or assemble them yourself. It's not just about saving money, it's about making you love what you create. So next time you're frustrated with an instruction manual, remember, you're not just building furniture. You're building value. One screw at a time.